Is it in order that the Minister of Education, who knows very well of the reason why we could not build 250 secondary schools, which were donated by the US government. First Deputy Speaker, the Honorable Minister actually has a report clear in his office, and I know he understands English very well.
When you are addressing any point in the House, let's desist from attacks, personal reflections. You cannot be reflecting on a minister that if he understands English, the Honorable Minister and all Honorable Ministers here, I passed through a test of English, and I hope they do understand English. So on that sentiment of understanding English, I rule you out of order, Honourable Member. Honourable members, let's allow the Honourable Minister to continue responding to the questions. Honourable Minister, you have the floor, sir.
Thank you very much, Mr. First Deputy Speaker. The Honourable Member is very well aware of my proficiency in English, which is certainly better than hers.
First Deputy Speaker, you had ruled Honourable Member for Chizungu Northeast to be out of order for what she said as in reflection to what the Honourable Minister was saying in terms of English proficiency and all that. You had ruled, and we appreciate that ruling, Honourable Speaker. But then the Honourable Minister himself, in responding to the point of order, did reflect on the Honourable Member that his English is better than hers. First Deputy Speaker, is that in order? Is that in order? A reflection on an Honourable Member that his English is better than hers. Is that in order?
Thank you very much. Order, members. Order. Honourable members, I would like to assume that all honourable members in the House are very literate enough to understand and communicate in the Queen's language. Every counter-arguments will not lead us anywhere. And I would like to rule that reflecting on any member of this House, as including I would like to rule all reflections to be specific. The reflections on from the Honourable Member for Chizungu to the Honourable Minister of Education, and from the Honourable Minister of Education to the Honourable Member of Chizungu are not appreciated, and I rule them out of order.